grandma is ready for her gele. Hello everyone, hello people, my name is Deg Beauty. Join me as we tie this unique style for grandma. This is our grandma. She is very, very, very close to me. Not just a grandma, she is my daddy, mother, sister. So she is my grandma. Okay, this fabric is called ashoke. The measurement of this hairstyle we are going to achieve is 50-50. I don't want to stress grandma too much. Grandma is more than 80. Grandma is more than 80, but she's still looking popping. She is looking beautiful. This makeup, very soon I will drop the video how we achieve this makeup. So I said to grandma, I will call one of my pastor friend. One of my friend was around. Our pastor wife was around, so I begged her to help me to support grandma, to protect that part, to hold that part for me. You know, my customer normally I would tell them to help me to grab that part, but I don't want mama to stress herself. Yes, so right now we create another little pretty like 5 to 6 again. So because the target is the both side is coming together, the plaiting from this side, plaiting from the other side, then we will now knot at the middle. You tie it at the middle. So grandma, she's here for her photo shoot. Yes, this was her second outfit. So I will still update. I will drop the first outfit. The other head wrap, I will drop the video maybe tomorrow. Okay, so you knot, and anything I do for grandma, I make sure I don't want the tie to be too tight. I don't want her to feel any pain at all. I just do this head wrap very, very soft. I don't want the head wrap to be so strong on her head. Yes, because because of the age, so I just do the head wrap very soft. So right now we are doing the setting. Grandma came to visit her children in UK. Very soon grandma will take her leave back to Nigeria. In fact, she's by today grandma is already back. Grandma returned back already. Okay, so see the way I mesh the two together. So when you create the plaiting from the both sides, then you mesh them together using pin to mesh them together. Then you do your final setup. You try and set it up to your satisfaction. The side of the both side is how will I explain? It's plaiting, but the middle is rufous at the middle. After knot, then you rufous the middle, then the side you set it up as a plate. That is it. I'm just trying to set up a little bit. This style is a big one because grandma want to take picture for enlargement. Grandma is more than 80 years old and she's looking very, very pretty, beautiful mama. Yes, so that is the final. We are almost there, my people. We are almost there. The daughter was there with her. The daughter came. The daughter was the one that bring her to my studio. We are now how will I say, is it cousin? Because is it cousin? Please, comment section, help me out. because the grandma is related to is grandma is the sister to my to my father. Yes, to my father mother. Grandma is the sister to my father mother. I hope I am correct the way I just explained. So the daughter of the grandma, I don't know how will I say, but we are cousin. I don't know if we are cousin or we are. So for me, we are sister. Let's just say we are sister. So she's there with her. She was super excited. She was so happy. She was the last born of the grandma. Yes, so finally, grandma, she's happy. Yes, so that is a very wonderful big kiss from grandma. Grandma, I was telling her, grandma, shake body. Grandma, dance for me. Grandma, shake body. Grandma, shake body. Yes, that's her daughter. Yes, so that grandma is ready for the pictures. Grandma is ready for the pictures. She is looking popping. Take away. This is what we call looking take away. Yes, so see you on my next video. In case you are watching me for the first time, I'm based in United Kingdom, London. I have studio. Come and have your photo shoot. We do makeup, we do gele, we do traditional bridal hair, we do photo shoot, we do everything. Go to my Instagram, Deck Beauty. You will see all my work is there. Book me. I'm available to travel all over the world. If you can't come to me, I will come to you. That is it. Book me for your event, marriage, ceremony, any type of ceremony. I sell makeup product as well, original. I sell perfume. Yes, so follow me in all my social media and yes, so we do training. We do plenty things. Okay, I want you to screenshot this part. These are my services. Screenshots. Okay, now all these are my work. We have the latest one. We have the latest one of this as well. Yes, so we do all these are my work. Thank you. Leave your comment down below. See you on my next video. Bye bye.